welcome to Travel Adventures with Island Girl. Well, I am still on the Gold Coast of Australia, Queensland, Australia. And take a look today. I think this is the best day that we've had so far. Anyhow, I did boogie boarding and surfing this morning. Didn't see any sharks, so I'm feeling pretty safe out here again. Anyhow, so I'm just investigating this whole shoreline. I'm at Kirra Beach right now, so just take a look. Just kind of walking in the shallows. There's a nice little sandbar out here that I'm going to investigate, so just come along and check it out. So way up there, you can kind of see all these high-rise buildings. That's Surfer's Paradise on the east coast of Australia. And just take a look. It is just so beautiful. The water is so warm, and yeah, this is like Hawaii, or it's like Australia, but still it reminds me of Hawaii. But great weather. This is terrific in the middle of February. On the sandbar, so I just walked from there out to here, so this will be fun. Get to walk along the sandbar. Great water. This is like 80-some degree water. It's so warm. Anyhow, a few things about Australia. I just learned the other day that, yeah, I was looking for more kangaroos, and apparently it's 5 kangaroos to every 1 person in Australia. So I'm surprised that I haven't seen more kangaroos. But I tell you what, the black flies, which I only encountered in Kosciuszko and out in the outback, they must be 1 million black flies to 1 Australian. And as for anything else, this is beautiful. Well, I think I'll try a little surfing. I got a surfboard and a boogie board. So I'm gonna go out there and hit some waves today. And if I get tired of doing that, I'll get out the boogie board. Anyhow, this has been Travel Adventures with Island Girl and Sailing Adventures with Island Girl. And take a second and hit the subscribe tab right below. And having a great time in Australia. See you on the next mountain or on the next beach. Bye.